Hello everyone, and welcome back to Agriculture Insight. Did you know that the United States produces an impressive 816 million pounds of mushrooms every year? It's an incredible figure that highlights the modern and efficient agricultural practices in this country. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating journey of those mushrooms you often see on your dinner table. From farms where they are nurtured on organic substrates in strictly controlled environments, to advanced processing facilities where each mushroom is carefully harvested and handled to preserve its freshness and flavor. You'll be amazed to see how cutting-edge technologies work hand in hand with American farmers to boost productivity while ensuring that every mushroom meets the highest standards of quality and taste. Let's dive into this amazing journey together. The first and most critical step in mushroom farming is preparing the growing medium. American farmers approach this process with great care. They start with simple, natural ingredients like straw, hay, chicken manure, and a touch of gypsum or lime to balance the pH levels. The straw and hay are soaked in water to soften them, making it easier for microorganisms to break them down. Once softened, everything is thoroughly mixed with chicken manure, which serves as the primary source of nitrogen. This nutrient-rich blend is then transferred into large composting chambers, setting the foundation for successful mushroom cultivation. Inside the composting chamber, microorganisms break down the mixture, transforming it into a nutrient-rich growing medium. This process requires careful monitoring and strict control of temperature, humidity, and airflow to ensure optimal conditions for decomposition. The result is a clean, nutrient-rich growing medium, perfectly ready for mushroom cultivation. This medium is transported to the growing area using modern conveyor systems and evenly spread onto trays or racks by automated machinery to ensure consistency. While the process might seem straightforward, every step must be executed with precision, as even a small error can affect the quality of the entire mushroom crop. Typically, mushrooms take about 2 to 3 weeks to fully develop after being inoculated. During this time, they are carefully nurtured in a strictly controlled environment with precise regulation of temperature, humidity, and oxygen levels. Once the mushroom caps reach their ideal size, ranging from 2 to 5 centimeters to 12 centimeters in diameter, depending on the variety, they are ready to be harvested. The mushroom harvesting process is a critical step that combines modern technology, precise techniques, and the skilled hands of workers. Depending on the scale of production and the type of mushrooms being cultivated, farms may use different methods, but they all share the same goal: harvesting quickly and ensuring the highest quality for each mushroom. In large-scale farms that produce millions of mushrooms each year, machine harvesting is the most common method. Specialized mushroom cutting machines with sharp blades are designed to trim the stems precisely at the base, ensuring the caps and stems remain intact and undamaged. The harvested mushrooms then drop directly onto a moving conveyor belt positioned below. The conveyor belt transports the mushrooms to an automated sorting area where advanced sensors evaluate each mushroom's size, shape, and quality. Mushrooms that meet the standards are directed to the packaging area, while those that don't are removed. This method not only boosts efficiency and productivity, but also minimizes errors and saves time compared to manual harvesting. Some advanced farms have adopted robotic technology for mushroom harvesting. These robots are programmed with high precision, using flexible robotic arms to gently lift each mushroom from the growing medium without damaging the caps or stems. After harvesting, the robots automatically trim the roots and place the mushrooms into storage trays. Thanks to intelligent recognition technology, the robots can sort the mushrooms on the spot based on their size, shape, and quality. This method not only ensures consistency, but also significantly reduces the time and labor required for post-harvest processing. The robots can work continuously, boosting productivity while ensuring that every mushroom meets the highest quality standards. Even with advancements in modern technology, manual harvesting remains the preferred choice for many farms, especially for delicate mushroom varieties. Workers use specialized cutting tools to carefully pick each mushroom from the growing medium. Mushrooms are sorted immediately during the harvesting process, then placed into trays for packaging preparation. This method is particularly effective for small farms or when producing premium mushroom varieties. Some farms, however, opt to place harvested mushrooms directly onto conveyor belts that transport them to sorting and packaging areas. This approach streamlines the transportation process, ensuring that mushrooms stay fresh and maintain their quality by the time they reach consumers. One of the greatest advantages of hand harvesting is the ability to ensure consistent quality. Each mushroom is individually inspected during the picking process, allowing workers to discard any that show signs of blemishes, pests, or overripeness. This level of care ensures that only the best mushrooms make it to market, meeting the high standards expected by consumers. Hand harvesting also allows farmers to adapt to the specific needs of different mushroom varieties. For instance, delicate types like oyster mushrooms require extra care to avoid breaking their thin caps, while sturdier mushrooms like shiitakes can be handled more confidently. This versatility makes hand harvesting an essential practice, especially for specialty mushrooms often sold at premium prices. Despite its many benefits, hand harvesting is a labor-intensive process. It requires a skilled workforce, and the work can be physically demanding, as pickers often spend long hours bending over growing trays or logs. However, the result is well worth the effort. The precision and care of hand harvesting ensure that mushrooms arrive fresh, intact, and visually appealing, ready to be enjoyed in kitchens around the world. In a world increasingly dominated by automation, the tradition of hand harvesting mushrooms remains a testament to the value of human touch in agriculture. This artisanal approach not only preserves the quality of the product, but also highlights the dedication and expertise of the workers behind every basket of mushrooms. After harvesting, mushrooms are transported to the sorting and quality inspection area. Mushrooms that meet the standards are processed on automated packaging lines. Here, they are weighed and neatly packed into boxes with the correct size and quantity. Each box is then labeled with all the necessary information, such as product name, production date, expiration date, and stored in cold storage to maintain freshness. For canned mushroom products, the mushrooms are sliced, thoroughly washed, sterilized, and packed into cans or glass jars. This process not only preserves their freshness, but also extends the shelf life of the product, ensuring quality and convenience for consumers. Mushrooms are not just a staple ingredient in everyday meals, but also hold significant economic and cultural value for Americans. With an annual production of hundreds of millions of pounds, the mushroom industry contributes billions of dollars to the national economy and creates thousands of jobs across farms, processing plants, and distribution networks. In American cuisine, mushrooms play a vital role, appearing in everything from salads and pizzas to nutrient-rich vegetarian dishes, valued for their versatility and high nutritional content. Beyond food, mushrooms are also used in medical research and biotechnology applications, contributing to sustainable development and environmental protection. And there we have it, our journey together, exploring the path from organic substrate farms to the harvest and processing of hundreds of millions of pounds of fresh mushrooms each year. Behind these humble mushrooms lies the dedication, skill, and hard work of farmers, combined with the power of modern technology. Thank you for taking the time to join me on this fascinating journey. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to continue exploring more amazing stories in the world of agriculture. See you in the next video, where we'll uncover more wonderful gifts from Mother Earth.